Hi guys, welcome to my channel made Susal Travel Food. Today I have really a special friend. He is my super friend, Chef Doug.
Hey Arturo!
Hey, how are you, my friend?
How are you doing? Welcome to my kitchen.
Yeah, thank you so much for this beautiful invitation.
I have decided to do a dish that's on one of the dishes from my catering menu. It's called chicken Valdostana.
Oh wow, sounds really delicious. So we're gonna start with
The chicken for the chicken Valdostana dish. The next process, put a light bread coating on the chicken breast and season it. Season the chicken breast with a little pepper. Put your salt. And then we're going to just take it and lay it in the chicken in the backside while it's sitting there. Pat it down, take it and flip it back over. Pat it down, let it fresh. Arturo, would you like to do your chicken breast?
sure
All right, do the chicken breast.
salt. You tell me if it's
That's fine.
enough.
That's
or-
fine. No, you don't want to over salt it, so go ahead. That's enough.
It's enough.
And pepper's right there.
Okay.
Okay. Now just tap it down, seasoning down in short steps, and then lay it, flip it, and put it over in the grating. Together. Yep. There you go.
Like that.
Yep.
Okay.
Now season the back.
It's in the back.
That's good. You can always take. Make sure just pat it down to make sure.
Now.
Yep,
that.
take it up and look at it. That's all right. Good. Flip it down. Lay it down again. Do the same thing.
Yeah. Okay. Just gonna shake it a little bit. Is this fine?
That's fine. You may want to get a little bit in your fingers and just sprinkle it in there and there.
Okay.
And tap it down so it sticks.
Yeah. So right here.
Yeah, right there too.
Okay. Let me put that. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, looks so pretty. Beautiful. I like
Of
it.
course it looks pretty. Next step is to get the chicken over to the stove and into the frying pan, as they say.
So you're going to use butter
Butter, olive oil,
and oil.
medium high heat. A tablespoon of butter.
Yep.
And olive oil.
Got it.
So the temperature of the oil stays up. If you put the chicken in too early, it will take the temperature of the oil down, and then it has to heat back up again. So you lose your ability to get a nice crust. So you want it to be. You can see right now the butter, because it has different. It's starting to bubble just a little bit.
Yeah.
You want to let that go a bit. That's it. Skin side down first. Okay.
So wow.
You don't want the chicken to dry out. You want it to be nice and moist and with a slight crunch to it. So we're going to take this and pan-sear it initially. Then we're going to put the rest of the ingredients, mix the rest of the ingredients into the chicken, and then we're going to finish it off in the oven at 350. So, take a peek. A little bit more. We're going to just start to turn color just a little bit. You see the butter is starting to brown.
Yeah.
Which is good. This is Irish butter, so it's got kind of a low bone point.
Oh, with that in it.
That's good. Nice and golden. You see that golden color that we're looking for. Get inside of the breast, like we flip it over, and when we plate it, Now we're going to take, after we get through searing this, we're going to mix the rest of the, we're not going to flip it back over, it's the way it is. Put the rest of the ingredients on, and then we'll finish it in the oven at 350. Right here you can see the center of the bread.
Yeah.
It's just a little pink, which is fine. This is the thickest part right here.
Yeah.
So that's fine. You don't have to cook it all the way through because when we put it in the oven, that will finish the cooking process for the chicken process. So it's nice. It maintains its tenderness and its moistness. So if you just don't want to overcook this stuff.
Yeah.
Prosciutto, spinach, and provolone cheese.
Got it.
And then, so we're going to replicate that right now.
Okay, if the audience they don't have like a spinach or your ingredient, they can replace for another ingredient.
Prosciutto,
Yeah.
you could use ham, crumbled bacon. You could use pancetta, which is an Italian bacon.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever you want to put in there.
Got it.
Prosciutto adds a salty flavor texture to it, which I like. Some people it's a little bit too much, so you could take that out and put regular ham in there, or like I said, bacon. Pretty much you can put whatever you want in there. But I like this because of the flavor that.
Do you recommend with these ingredients?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll just take one sheet of prosciutto. For to use fresh spinach, this has been cleaned and is ready to go. So all we want to do is layer some of that on top of the prosciutto. And the cheese we're going to use is a provolone. We just want to lay that over the spinach.
Yeah, delicious.
Okay. Come on, your turn, Arturo.
Oh, I'm nervous. Go ahead. Okay, Chef.
All right, so the prosciutto is on there.
Yeah, what can I do?
The next thing we want to do is put the spinach on top of that.
on the
So
top.
Just take up some.
Just tell me if it like that is enough, a little bit more, less. I got it. How many?
Cover it up.
Cover up like that.
I use 3. Next thing we're going to do is.
And what is
and
that?
What we're going to add now the demi-glace. So basically, what you want to do. Just ladle this over the top of the cheese. Let it drizzle down the sides. Arturo, you want to do this one?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Get enough on it to cover
I
it.
feel really professional right now with this man here with me. I know he is really awesome. Believe me, he's really excellent chef. I love him. This is the reason all the time, and I like to stay here.
He's full of Mexican crap. What do they call it?
Yeah.
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Right there.
That corner's right.
Yep, right there. That's good. You got it. Dude.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Keep your fingers out of it. Okay.
So that's fine like that.
Let's go to the oven.
So right now we're going to the oven.
Take it off, dude. I'm following you.
Okay.
You want music to dance by or what?
Yeah, well, we can try. Yeah. So right now the oven it's ready.
Yeah, it's ready.
And,
Set.
350. 350. Okay. So
You're good.
you can. I'm going to show you for the last time, and look at that, guys. So pretty, beautiful. And how long we going to live in here?
About 30 minutes, but you gotta check
30 minutes. Okay, yeah.
30.
Sure. See you soon, guys.
12:13 o'clock.
Yeah, 2:13.
2:30.
Oh, 2:30. 2:30.
That's what I
2:30.
said.
Yeah, you say that.
I did.
You got it, man.
I do.
See you soon. Bye. He has here green salad, and I'm going to put in the bowl, and I'm going to make with sweet kale.
Okay.
This is
That's the Greek dressing with the balsamic vinegar. I don't use a lot because you can always add more.
Got it.
So-
Good. I like it. Look at that, guys. So
Okay.
beautiful. I think it's ready.
We're going to check the chicken Valdostana at 15 minutes just to see where it's at. Go ahead, Arturo, open up the oven door.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, looking good.
Oh, looks really, really good. So we're going to wait.
Yeah, we're gonna wait. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn the oven off. Bubble wing dish out. Hot. Our salad. Red roasted potatoes. And the wild rice. And the chicken Valdostana. There. This is really good stuff in here, so we're gonna mix this up a little bit. Ladle some of that right over the potatoes. And a little bit more on top of the chicken. Chicken Valdostana, there you go, dude. Okay, Arturo, this is our dinner plate. We have the salad with the Greek dressing, the red smashed potatoes with a little bit of demi-glace sauce, the assorted wild rice, and chicken Valdostana. Let's take a look at the chicken and see how it came out. So basically slice into it. You see the chicken is perfectly done. It's still moist and tender. That's exactly what we want. The spinach has gone down and cooked away. Oops. First bite. That's damn good.
It's my turn. I'm gonna cut my chicken. It's really soft. Chef. My favorite part, you know that, right? Try the food. Oh my god. Oh wow. Holy moly. Excellent. Oh, chef. It's spectacular. Good job.
Good job. You like it, huh?
Yeah, I love it. It's
Okay.
really good. This gravy, oh my, with the cheese. Wow.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.
Anyway, I hope all your viewers enjoyed it and
Yeah.
have a good time. And if you,
Thank
the
you.
instructions are pretty straightforward. So even anybody, I think in America could replicate this. So have fun with it and be creative.
Yeah. Well, guys, enjoy. If it's something you're gonna make it, it's gonna be really good for your party, dinner, whatever you want.
Hey, Arturo,
Yeah.
I think when you go home to your family, you should make it for them.
Sure.
So Arturo's family's out there, make him make it for you when you get back to Mexico.
Sure, I will. I promise.
And I'm not coming with him though.
Yeah. And thank you for staying watching here my videos. Thank you so much. This food is really delicious. You can imagine how much delicious it. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye bye.